In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a workflow on Freshsales. In just a few steps, we'll have you up and running, ensuring your business operations are streamlined and efficient. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Freshsales. After finding the official site link, click on it to navigate to the Freshsales homepage. Once you're here, you'll need to log in. Use your usual credentials to access your account. If you're new to Freshsales, be sure to set up an account first, which is straightforward and user-friendly. Now that you're logged in, locate the Admin Settings option. Once you find it, click on it, and from there, select Manage Workflows. This area is your control center for automating various tasks and processes. You'll notice that you have a choice here. Begin a new workflow from scratch, or choose from a selection of pre-built workflow templates. These templates are designed for common business scenarios and can be a great time saver if you're trying to implement something standard. If you choose to create a new workflow, it's crucial to give it a concise name along with a descriptive explanation. Providing a clear description will not only help you, but also assist any team members who need to understand the purpose of this workflow in the future. Next, you'll need to determine which module the workflow will operate on. In Freshsales, this could be any one of several modules such as contacts, accounts, or deals. Selecting the appropriate module is critical because it will determine how and where your workflow will function within the system. With your module set, it's time to configure the components of your workflow. Start by defining the triggers. Triggers are essentially the starting point of your workflow. You'll need to specify when you want the workflow to initiate. For instance, you might want it to trigger when a new record is created or when an existing record is updated. Once you have your trigger, the next step is to establish the conditions. Think of conditions as the specific criteria that a record must meet for the workflow to proceed. Maybe the condition is that a contact must belong to a certain region, or a deal needs to be over a particular value amount. Finally, decide on the actions that will occur when those conditions are met. These actions could include assigning a lead to a sales representative, sending an automated email, creating a follow-up task, or even triggering a webhook that updates another system. The actions you choose should align with your business goals and the purpose of the workflow. Once you've configured the triggers, conditions, and actions, the final step is to save and enable your workflow. This activates your workflow and ensures that it runs automatically whenever the predefined triggers and conditions are met. With all these steps completed, your Freshsales workflow is ready to enhance your efficiency and productivity.